Hey there YouTube enthusiasts! Today, I'll show you how to easily share a YouTube video link from your mobile device. Whether you want to send a video to a friend or share it on your social media, this quick guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account. Next, locate the video you want to share. You can use the search bar when you've found the video, tap on it to open it. Underneath the video player, you'll see the share button. Give it a tap. A list of sharing options will appear. You can send the link via a messaging app, email, or share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or more. Just select your preferred sharing method. Once you've chosen your sharing method, follow the prompts to send the link. Depending on your choice, you may need to select a contact or enter recipient information. Confirm the sharing process. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a YouTube video link from your mobile device in under a minute. It's a quick and efficient way to spread your favorite videos with friends or your online community. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.